Hi everyone, welcome to Code Specified. So this will be the third video on AI agents. So if you are excited about AI agents and you want to understand how Google is building real production ready agent systems, then you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to create one agent using Gemini Flash 2.5 model. So let's start. So first, in the last video, we have already installed the ADK agent. Now it is activated but first I will be deactivating this. So now I will be activating the ADK from the very scratch. I will be doing it. So now you can see the ADK is activated. Now we will be just creating an agent. So how it will be created? ADK create like agent one. Okay. So now we will be using Gemini 2.5 Flash model. So we will be selecting one. The Google AI will be the model. So why we will be doing using Google AI? Because we have to go to the studio to. So I will be opening the API key. So as I have my account logged into this, so I have my API key here. So I will be just copying that, and here I will be pasting my API key. So it has been done. It has been created. To see that, you have to means I have to open the folder called ADK agents. But without that, we also can run like okay. Uh, Let me first open the folder only so that I can give you the structure of how it is working. So okay. uh, So this is the ADK agent folder. So this you can see this agent has been created. So this is the agent. This is only this part is needed. No coding is required here. You can see that from Google agent.llm agent, it is importing the agent and the root agent. This is the main factor. By when we will be going forward, this part will be playing an important role. That is the root agent configuration will be playing an important role. The you can see the model name is 2.5 Flash. The description is it is a helpful assistant for user questions, and the instruction is answer user questions to the best of your knowledge. This is it, nothing extra. And here you can see the API key that I have given in the video itself. So now I will be running the program. So I have to again start a new terminal for that. Huh. Now I will be just writing ADK web. This is the running command of this program. No thing is required extra. So after that, you will be seeing this server is opening. So you just have to follow the link, and this is your first agent creation. This is the UI interface that you will be seeing while developing the agent development kit. Now from select an agent, you will be selecting agent one. Now I will be asking any question like first I will be interacting with it. So the first will be hi. So it is saying, hello, how can I help you? So let's say my name is Kanishka. So pardon me for the spelling mistake. So it is taking the the name of mine. Now I will be asking, how is the weather today? So you can see that it is a fully interactive agent only, nothing new. I am sorry, I don't access. So I have to tell, means like a chatbot, I have to tell it. So I will be saying, I am living in Bhubaneswar, India. Just the question it is asking, I will be just answering the question. So it has not the ability. However, I can tell you, so it is saying this. So now I will be asking, well, let's say any question like how to make a black tea. So you are saying that this is so why it is not coming? I will be giving you a very easy answer. The answer is this because doesn't have the actual data. Means actual data it has, but the live data it doesn't have. So we have to invoke that. So this will be done again in our up, upcoming videos. I will be doing this invoking of the live apps. But before now, for a very simple reason, now we are making just a agent, Google AI agent with the model Gemini 2.5 Flash. So you can see I have asked how to make a black tea. It has given you a full recipe. Now again, if I ask the question how to make again black tea, but now this time, if I am opening the token streaming, then you will be seeing nothing new because the token streaming part is the streaming part which will be done here. So when you will be saying the artifacts evaluation, these things we will be invoking. See see this one, how to make a black tea. You can see the call LLM is done. First, the invocation is done by the invocation agent, that is the root agent. First, understand this. Okay, here you will be seeing that the one invocation is done. Then the invocation agent is calling the root agent through call LLM function, and it is generating the content. So in sessions also you can see that previous chat. So it will be always be stored. So it will always be stored. The state will be empty, but after some codings and after some upcoming videos we will be also updating the state part. So this is now. Oh, and another part is that we can like any downloads and ask what is this like I have given a question, whose logo is this? It is this logo belongs to Google AI Studio, Google Gemini API. So this is the logo of Google ADK only. So you can see that we can give any type of items, like any type of uh, extensions, like Excel to PDF to text to anything we can give, and we will be getting a output which will be correct. So that's how we will be building our Google ADK agents. This is a very basic agent with the default model Google 2.5 Flash. When new videos will be coming, we will be more exploring into this part and adding new features. So that's it. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Your like means a lot to me. Thank you.